In this video we'll show you what is biotechnology, how it's classified, and what uses does it have.
Biotechnology is the use of microorganisms such as bacteria or yeast or biological substances such as enzymes to perform specific industrial or manufacturing processes. Biotechnology uses a color code to distinguish the different areas that can be applied to it. Great biotechnology refers to the use of organisms for the improvement of medical processes and it focuses on medical and forensic. Low biotechnology is the application of molecular and biological methods to marine and freshwater organisms, and it focuses on aquaculture and marine biotech. Green biotechnology is the use of environmentally friendly solutions as an alternative to traditional agriculture, horticulture, and animal breeding processes. It is also called environmental biotechnology. White biotechnology is the use of enzymes and organisms for the processing and production of chemicals, materials, and energy for industrial processes. It is also focused on gene-based bioindustry. Finally, gray biotechnology focuses on classical fermentation and bioprocess technology.
For problems that can be solved with biotechnology. As we already know, biotechnology is the future. But why is that? Because thanks to this science, we can develop new things or just make these things work better.
Currently, some 30% of crops are lost through pests. Using genetic engineering, biotechnology, it is possible to insert a gene into a plant, making it so that it is passed on to subsequent generations. For example, some insect pests are sensitive to a toxin produced by a common soil bacterium. Conventionally, a solution of the toxin is sprayed onto plants, to be ingested by insects eating the leaves. But if it rains, the spray will be washed onto the soil and have no effect. With genetic engineering, it is possible to isolate the bacterium gene that controls synthesis of this toxin and insert it into the plant. When the caterpillar eats the leaf with the bacterium gene, the gene will produce a toxin and kill the larva.
The second example would be the cancer therapies that have been usually used to cure not only kill the cancer cells but other good cells too. This is because they are non-specified therapies. But now, thanks again to medical biotechnology, red biotechnology, new medicines which only kill cancer cells are made. To continue with another example, there is something called bioremediation, which consists in helping the environment that we, humanity, have been destroying for several years. Grey biotechnology has to do with this. For example, the huge amounts of garbage that we make has to be destroyed or else our world would be conquered by trash. So now new enzymes or bacteria, created thanks to biotechnology, easily decompose and destroy garbage into something less contaminating. There are many industries which have to do many industrial processes. This process can now be faster because of white biotechnology. Catalysts are something which makes different processes go faster. Cheese has to go through fermentation, which conventionally would take about 2 or more days. But because of these catalysts, this process can now be done in a day or less. To resume all of this, many things now depend on biotechnology. It is involved in ecology, medicine, industry, and others. All of these human concerns and more have now been solved because of biotechnology. Let's face it,
Nowadays, the need for some changes in our life have made biotechnology indispensable.